How to form an LLC in Colorado. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is go to this website. It's called corpnet.com. Or what you want to do guys is just scroll down like this until you find those states right here. Now all what you want to do is search for your state. For example, we want Colorado, click on it. Now scroll down, click get started. You can also read some options here of the advantages and some comparison of types of the LLC. Now click get started and it will take you into this page. Choose the plan that you want. For example, I'm going to choose the complete plan. Click continue. Now you can fill the informations and click go to payment. That's it guys for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.